Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the very cool looking Verge from Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and his face is going to be pretty simple. It's just going to be one big goggle. So we're going to start out with his goggles. We're going to come across. It's going to be the top of the goggle. Let's come across, and then we'll come down on sides. And then you can come back to the middle here. You can make a little dot. And then from the middle, we're going to slant down. And then whatever space you have here, just go back to the side of the goggle. Okay, and then let's add in a little bit of detail. We're just going to draw another line on the inside. So it's going to be really easy. Just going to follow the lines. Alright, now we can draw in the face. So to finish off the face here, just come to the side here. This is going to be his jawline. Just slant it in. And then from here, I'm going to come in more, all the way down to his chin, and just close it off. Alright, and then yeah, there's not much detail here. So we're going to go up and finish up with his hair and forehead. So we're going to continue with this line here. This is going to be his hair on the side. But before we go up, we're going to finish up his forehead first. So just come back in the middle here. I'm just going to draw a little curve. And then we come down toward the side. So that's going to be his forehead. And then now we can finish up the hair on the top. So for the hair, just going to give us some kind of angle. So it doesn't have to be all smooth on the top. Alright, and then from here we can draw in just a couple of lines, just to show in the strands of the hair. Okay, so yeah, very simple looking face. And then now I can draw in his neck. We're gonna come down. And we're gonna draw one big curve here. It's got kind of a unique looking collar. So one curve all the way around. And then once we have this curve, we're gonna draw the opposite curve by going this way. So we're gonna go up. Okay, and then from here, just slant it inwards. And just draw like a slight curve going this way. This is gonna be part of his vest. And then for his vest, so we're gonna come down here. Here's his shoulder. And we'll come down. This is gonna be straight. It's almost like a box. Right, so that's his vest. And we're gonna come down here and just finish up his waistline here. Just draw two lines, and then I'm gonna give it a slight curve. And then one little detail here, just the same line, same curve. Alright, so that's the upper body, and this is a good stopping point. So let's go back up here and finish up the details on the vest. So for his vest, this curve right here, we're gonna keep going out. Just kind of continue that curve, go all the way out. And then it's got three pockets here, so I'm going to draw one line across. And then just divide it up with two more lines inside. And then we'll draw in the little flap here. Just three angles. And then of course the little button. And then I think it's got two more up here. So just smaller details. And then it's got a little logo here. I'm just going to draw a triangle. Okay, so nice and simple. And let's move on to his arm. So right around here, that's going to be his armpit. Here's his shoulder. We're going to come out, come down. And right here, his clothing kind of poofs up a little bit. So I'm going to come out and angle it in. So right here, when the armpit come down, just gonna give it a little angle. And then we'll close that off. And then for his lower arm, we're just gonna pinch it in. Okay, so just straight down, and then for his fist, a little hook. There's the back of the fist. Just turn it, close it off. And I think he's got some lines here, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of detail here. Alright, so same thing on the other side. So here's the armpit. Shoulder coming out. And then now we're gonna poof it up. Angle. Go back to the armpit. Come down, and then same thing here. So this is like a bracket. Close it off, and then same thing here. Pinch it in, use the other side for reference. Hook. Back of the fist. And let's add a little bit of detail as well here. I think it's got one little pocket here. So right here, just come out. Alright, so now let's draw his legs, and his legs are simple too. So right in the middle, draw one little line, and then now we're gonna come out here on the side. Angle, come back to the middle, come out a little bit. And then for his knee, just a little bracket like this. Okay, so let's work on the other side now. So go back to the waist here. Come out, slide it down. So same thing here, here's the middle. And he's got a little bit of knee pad here, so we can draw one curve going this way first. And then come down on the side, and draw in another curve going this way. Alright, so now let's finish up the lower legs. So the lower legs are easy. Just flare out. Pinch in. Close it off, and then a dome shape. Let's come out more on this side. Close it, and just add in one section for the sole. And let's see, we'll add in the details later. Let's just go ahead and finish up the shape here. So flare out. Come back in, close it. Dome shape, come out more on this side. Okay, so then on the bottom here, we'll just add in one little detail, one line. And he's got some pockets up here. So let's draw in the strap right here first. So right on his leg. One strap, and then here's a little pouch on the side. And then for his pocket on the side here, just drawing two lines like this first. And then on this side, we're gonna come down and just kind of curve it out. And then this is gonna be the little flap. And then on this side, it's kind of tucked in behind the this strap here. So we're just gonna go straight down into the strap. And then again, detail for the flap. And that is it for this very cool looking Verge. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out. And if you do, please do give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.